How to enable ad blocker in Google Chrome on Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, and if you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now you need to open your Google Chrome, then tap on those three dots on your top right corner, then tap on settings. So once you are here, you are going to scroll down, then you are going to see site settings. Tap on it, then scroll down. Then under content, you are going to see pop-ups and redirects. Tap on it. So ensure that this button is turned off. As you can see, as it is turned on, ensure that you have turned that button off. Then you will go back. Then you scroll down a little bit. Then under intrusive ads, you are going to tap on that. Then ensure that you have turned off this button. As you can see, mine have already turned off. So as you can see, ads are blocked on sites known to show intrusive or misleading ads. So ensure that you have turned off that button. Then once you've done that, you will be able to block ads on your Android phone on Chrome. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.